Good afternoon, friends. I'm going to play a Christmas song for you today, even though it's technically just Advent. This one is called Mary's Little Boy Child, and the words go like this. Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible say, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. And the chorus, trumpets sound and angels sing, listen what they say. That man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. And isn't that what the Christmas season is all about? Rejoicing because we have a Savior. So when you feel overwhelmed with baking and buying and wrapping and decorating, just refocus and think about the message of this song. We will live forevermore because our Savior is born on Christmas Day. You might notice a few mistakes. I'm just going to keep going.